How to turn on picture-in-picture on YouTube on iPhone. Literally, with the picture-in-picture turned on your YouTube account on your iPhone, you'll be able to watch YouTube video on the background or minimize it on your iPhone. But in some cases, if you're unable to do this, that shows you are not in a region where you can enable PiP on your iPhone. So for none of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first approach you want to take to turn on picture-in-picture on YouTube on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down, click on general. Now, once you've selected general, scroll down, locate picture-in-picture and click on it. Then make sure start PiP automatically is turned on. You can see when you swipe up to go home or use other app, video and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in PiP picture-in-picture. Then once you have the picture-in-picture to start automatically on your iPhone settings, now go ahead and open the YouTube app on your iPhone. So once you open the YouTube app on your iPhone, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now click on the settings icon at the top right again. Here, go ahead and click on general. Once you click on general, under general you should see the playback or PiP here. So if you have the playback option or the PiP here, just go ahead and turn on PiP, and once that is turned on, you'll be able to use picture-in-picture on your iPhone. In my own case, I do not have the PiP because I'm outside United States, or this is location based. So just go ahead, locate PiP and make sure you turn it on here. So that is basically how to turn on picture-in-picture on YouTube iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.